stall out. When a vehicle's engine stops unexpectedly. The truck stalled out in the middle of the road. His car stalled out at the traffic light. Nose into. Move a vehicle slowly into a tight space. He nosed into the parking spot. The boat nosed into the dock carefully. Bail out. Jump out of a moving vehicle, often in an emergency. The pilot bailed out before the plane crashed. He had to bail out of the sinking boat. Hail down. Signal a taxi to stop. He hailed down a cab outside the airport. We struggled to hail down a taxi in the rain. Circle around. Drive or fly in a loop around something. The plane had to circle around before landing. We circled around the block looking for parking. Get on. Enter a bus, train, plane, or bicycle. She got on the bus and sat near the window. Let's get on the next train to London. Get off. Leave a bus, train, plane, or bicycle. He got off the subway at the wrong station. I almost forgot to get off at my stop. Get in. Enter a car or taxi. He got in the taxi and told the driver his destination. Hurry up and get in the car before it starts raining. Get out of. Leave a car or taxi. She got out of the cab and walked to the hotel. Please get out of the car when we arrive. Turn back. Return to a previous place. The pilot had to turn back due to bad weather. We forgot our tickets, so we had to turn back. Drive up. Approach a place in a vehicle. He drove up to the hotel entrance. A black car drove up and stopped in front of the house. Break up. Reduce speed suddenly using brakes. The driver braked up to avoid hitting the cyclist. He had to brake up quickly when the dog ran into the road. Cut across. Take a shorter route. We cut across the park to reach the station faster. The driver cut across the parking lot to avoid traffic. Skid out. Lose control and slide. The car skidded out on the icy road. He almost skidded out on the sharp turn. Burn out. Overuse a vehicle until it stops working. He burned out the engine by driving too fast. The truck's brakes burned out on the steep hill. Fly in. Arrive by airplane. They flew in from London this morning. Our guests fly in tomorrow evening. Fly out. Leave by airplane. We fly out to Spain next Monday. He flew out for a business trip. Sail away. Depart on a ship. The cruise ship sailed away at sunset. We watched the ferry sail away from the port. Sink down. Go underwater. The old boat sank down after hitting a rock. The ship slowly sank down into the ocean. Fall off. Lose balance and fall from a bicycle. He fell off his bike and scraped his knee. I almost fell off when I hit a pothole. Cram into. To fit too many people or things into a small space. We all crammed into the tiny car for the road trip. The passengers crammed into the subway during rush hour.